Unboxing package from Germany video.
Hi, I'm Lali and I'm not in the pajama. Wow. This is unboxing of a package from Germany from my best friend Patty, who actually lives in Germany now. I know in this package is nothing which is not able to wait till later because I'm still after vaccine and I have side effects, but my side effects are like already the second day because I didn't have a day off. I still went to work, so I want to open it now because I really want to have these goodies. Anyway, so um, this is porridge. Porridge. I really love this porridge because that's actually one of my favorites. Strawberry and blackberry I like. Actually, this is blueberry, not blackberry. I'm just blind without glasses. Okay, so this is... Oh, I really wanted to have this. I really missed this. This is like hard condensed sweet milk and it's cow. It's like Europe's favorite, but actually this is not. This is based on cocoa. I can see coconut milk. This is Kokosmilch in German. Is coconut milk. Because she knows I don't drink milk. This is so cute. This is knickknacks. I love nuts. And I really like this one, to be honest. I adore this. This is... I'm confused. This is chili taste. I like spicy and Patty knows it. Patty is my best friend like 10 years. She knows everything about me. And this is... Oh, yogurt chocolate. Paprika snack, like a crunchy snack. I don't know, but I might like it. Oh, thank you so much. This is my favorite snack, cranberry mix. I love it. I love fruits as snacks. Really, I'm so happy. Oreo. But this is a special one because this is double cream. Patty told me this is so special. And I might really love it. Smarties. Smarties is like M&M's, but kind of casual. But it's very good. Yogurt chocolate still. Rooibos caramel tea. I love this. The last time I drank Rooibos caramel tea was in 2015. I remember the smell of the excellent. My God, I'm so happy. This is the best. Look, if I'm gonna make my secret project, oh, you're gonna see. Anyway, coconut chips. Thanks a lot. Again, porridge. This was the same porridge. My favorite biscuits. In English, it means hedgehogs because this is very similar to hedgehog style, hedgehog appearance, I can say. Marshmallow. Na, 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 na. I have my best friend. This is Earl Grey tea, but look what happened in the customs. Korean customs. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Almond. Almond? Is this almond in German? I don't know, I forgot German. Maybe not completely, but most of the things I forgot. Not customs, not... Oh my goodness. No, look, marshmallows. This is I'm so sad that I have to film this, because Patty really, she's an angel. She is caring about everything, about small details. It's not her fault, it's Customs' fault, because this is also Korean box. They threw her German box away. This is in a one as one. For example, this chocolate is as one, but look, almost also. Maybe officers were hungry. I don't know. Marshmallow. Prince Polo. I ate this. The last time I ate this was 2018, maybe. So happy. This is Alesto. Not mix. She knows me so well. She's like my twin. Elite Sport. Sport! Oh, cranberries. I like cranberries. Choco Fix! Yes, I just ran out of that. Thank you very much. This is so delicious. It helps me survive at work. And this is this is some cookies, but these cookies are in pieces, small pieces. Lion Caramel Blonde. I will take this gladly to my heart. Anyway. No, I don't know what is this. This is but I really don't know what is this. I'm not able to say anything about this, but hopefully that's good. Oh yeah. This was this yogurt chocolate, not custom. Choco Fix Rivals again. Oh wow, that's the best. It's my number one from this package. Choco Fix again. Oh, Milka, our purple cow, is one of our favorites. I still have chills after vaccine. Cappuccino, caramel cappuccino. Oh, I'm in love. Thank you so much. Now I'm opening this package like someone who is very needy. You know, I am so needy. If you want to send me something, I'm glad to give you every single day. I mean, maybe not the address because it could be personal, but if you know me and you want to send me a gift, please. I'm hungry. No, for real, I'm not hungry, okay? But I'll gladly take this cappuccino. I'm hungry, yeah. Who the hell is putting this vanilla marshmallows on the bottom of the box? Who? The Customs, they don't have brain? I'm so sorry, but I'm so angry now. I shouldn't say this to people, but package. Patty, I think Macadamia, you told me about this. Patty, I'm so sorry. Everything came to me, but not safe. Princessa. I'm Princessa. Everything came to me, but not safe. Like this. And they really checked everything, but they didn't care how I'm gonna receive it. This is very sad. And now I will take the photo of that, but I don't know. I'm just sad because everything came to me, but who the heck is it that loose? And look, this is really Korean box. So they've put this like this. Anyway, I'm super happy. I'm super happy because of that. Oh my gosh, there's so many things. You know what? this is my real best friend. And I'm so lucky to have her in my life because she really loves me. And I love her too. This is the proof that she loves me. She doesn't need to prove it, I believe. But I'm so happy to receive it. And I'm so happy for this everything. I'm so sorry I'm not that emotional today, but I still have side effects. So this is why. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Okay, so here we have nuts and some biscuits. Not chocolates. And here are some delicacies for my porridge, but these delicacies for the porridge are for my regular porridge. I'm gonna show specifically for this one. And also teas, rooibos and Earl Grey are here. Okay, goodbye. And like this is completed. This completed is my all the teas. Yeah, so yeah, which was already, I completed this today because it was empty again.